Hey guys, it's me, Abby, and today, like I said, on my Instagram, if you saw it, if you're following me, we're going to be doing some boxing. So for this, all you need is your boxing bag. I am using a extremely hard plastic one, so I have extremely hard plastic gloves. So on the inside, they have just this little plastic thing. You can see right there. They're made from soccer socks. I took mini soccer socks and I just cut the bottoms off. So, are you ready? So I had to put the camera, it was so hard, I had to put the camera right here. Like, right where you are so you can see it, swing. It hit my elbow, not my arm, that's sad. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get it, if you're using one like mine where it's, 10 feet up in the air, hanging from a rope, then you're going to swing it so you can clap 10 times. 9, 10. So then one more push. Now you just sprint, like little sprints with the fingers. And the first punch. So you're going to want to get into your position. One hand in front of your face so it doesn't hit it like this, like a fist. Then your other hand goes up like this. And then you whack the ball. Then for your legs, you're gonna wanna bend the one facing the opposite direction and the other one straight, so you're kind of leaning on this one. Your weight's on your leg that's not facing the ball. So for the next video, just to tell you, I'll be doing some movie night stuff. So for the second one, it is a kick. I don't know what it's called, but you kick around the ball. That means you can kick around it, punch it, punch it. So what you do is I'm going to take my shoes off for this. You might want to have your shoes off when you're using this for kicks, or it's going to feel so weird. Okay, yeah. So what you do is you basically go round, punch. So you kick their hands, so their hands go like this, and you punch them in the stomach. Okay? Let's try it. So just get a kind of... So, the next one is another kick. For this one, you go... So you block your face as you don't want them to hit it. So like a dab where you fold this hand in. You can also unfold so you can punch them if they go around you. So, let's try it. So the first one I'm going to do no punch, the second one's punch. So, getting it singing, and now the second one is kick punch. So they push you like out of the way, so you punch them. So the next one is another punch. So this one is so you whack them in the face, and then whack them. Like that. So, the reason I go over here is because I just lay this on top of where my phone is. And yeah. Okay? So, get it kind of going higher. So like a heartbeat. So yep, that's the second punch hand thing. Double punch. Now this next one, I'm going to put my shoes on for because I do not need them. So, gotta put your shoes on. Be back in a second. So this next one is for if they throw a punch, but you can't throw a punch. Or they throw a kick and you don't have enough time. So for this one, I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to put this away. So I gotta back up. So for this one, so you duck and whack them in the guts. I sound like I'm sneezing. So I'm gonna grab the ball again. So just get it going. This one I'm gonna need it to be a little higher. Remember, just slightly spinning. Just because if you go like hard, then it's gonna get all twisty. So let's go. So you can, okay, I'm gonna scoot forward. But if they kick, this is what you do if they kick. So you go, and you grab their leg. You kind of like make them plop on the ground, I guess. Then plop on the ground. So that's basically all of today's tour. So stay tuned for next week's tutorial. I'm going to be posting them Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So wait till 2 days. Then you can see our movie night tutorial. It might be delayed. Depends on how good the video goes. If the video's not going too well, then the video's not going to go too well. And it's not going to go up. So, thanks for watching. Here's the bloopers from today's footage. So you gotta punch. You just go like, ow, that hurts. So just sprint your fingers. I squished my finger in between the thing. I'm editing this out, that hurt. So basically what you do is you go around and punch. Round and punch. I should put my gloves in. I'm so stupid. Thanks for watching today's video. Have a beautiful day. Or have a bad day. Have a beautiful day. Have fun. Box. Try some boxing with a beautiful boxing thing. Dang, I always forget what it's called. I was recording this yesterday and I forgot what it was called. Just, punch your brothers or sisters. No, don't do that. I don't want to get sued or something. Punch the couch. It's not hard or you're going to hurt yourself. Do something. Just keep on boxing.